Welcome to today's daily message. Today, as I continue speaking about persons in Christian history who have learned to live in solitude and who have so much to teach us because of their solitude, I want to focus today on Anne Frank, whom you see pictured here. Most of us are familiar with the story of Anne Frank, that she was forced to live for 2 years with her family of 8, holed up in a safe house in Amsterdam where they could barely move and where they had to remain utterly silent. Of course, we know that Anne Frank is well known for her diary, her many messages in which she conveyed the belief that love and hope and that beauty and human goodness are more powerful than the forces of darkness. A few quotes from Anne Frank's diary. Think of all the beauty still left around you and be happy. I don't think of all the misery, but of the beauty that still remains. And finally, where there's hope, there's life. It fills us with fresh courage and makes us strong again. Thank you once again for watching and listening, and have a safe and healthy day.